What is up, guys? This is Mindspock here, and I'm doing another Mac tutorial. And in this tutorial, we'll be covering how to use a program called iSquint to convert your MOV files to MPEG or MP4 files. And that sounds like a bunch of mumbo jumbo. You know, who cares? What the heck does that mean? Well, I'll explain how important that really is. It's really helped me along in YouTube and everything. But anyway, what will happen is generally when you're uploading a YouTube video, so say I go to like QuickTime Player up here, and then I do like new screen recording, and I go ahead and I upload everything right away. I don't convert anything, I don't do anything like that, and I just upload it straight to YouTube. What I get is when I look at the upload time, estimated remaining time, it says it starts out at like some ridiculous crazy number, like 985 minutes remaining in upload, and then that number, instead of going down, keeps going up in chunks of like 200 minutes. And so eventually I end up at a video that's 10 minutes long, but it says going to take 1,700 minutes to upload. Now, unless you want to wait like 6 days to upload a video or something like that, I would suggest getting a program called iSquint, and I'll try and put the link somewhere in this video or in the description. What iSquint is it is a program that allows you to take videos that aren't converted yet, and you can convert them to a much smaller file. So when you record a video on QuickTime Player, it is by default saved as an MOV file. Now, this screen recording 9 here is an MOV file, and that's going to be my sample for today. So let's get started with that. So when you open up iSquint, that comes up. Just click open anyway. Sorry if my computer fan is bothering anybody. It'll probably calm down here in a minute. So what this is, it brings up this menu, and let's just get rid of this for now. Excuse me. And it says, optimized for iPod, optimized for TV, add to iTunes, and then all this other stuff. So what you're going to do is select the file that you would like to convert, which in this case is actually a video that I just made today. I'm gonna go ahead and place that on my desktop, and I'm gonna convert this for you guys today. So you take whatever video you want to convert or compress, and you just drag it into here, drag and drop, and it saves. It still saves this. It doesn't replace anything, and you see all this everything, my name and my desktop screen recording crap. And what you're going to do after you've dropped that in is it has optimized for iPod, and you want to click optimize for TV so it's not like really tiny. And you don't really need to do any of these, add to iTunes unless you really want to, or the H.264 encoding is sort of like a high quality thing, I believe. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I believe it's just a high quality, more higher definition graphics recorder or converter. And so yeah, that's pretty much all it is, I think. And here, this little quality wheel, you have tiny, low, standard, high, and go nuts. And go nuts, unless you have like a fairly short video, I wouldn't really recommend it. It'll take a little bit longer. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do high quality, and that's all you do on this page. Now, we aren't done yet. You have to click advanced, and it says all this stuff here. Click OK. Alright, so there's all this stuff that comes up. Now, next you're going to do get info, and all these little numbers and colors and words and everything comes up. Now, the dimensions, if you paid attention in math class, you would know baby crawls before he walks. So the width along a grid, which is basically what your computer screen is a grid of different pixels. So the width along the long ways along the screen is on this video is right here. It says dimensions, and it's the first two numbers. So for the first one, the bigger number is the width usually, unless you have like a tiny computer, and you do 1440, and the height is 900 pixels, and the total video bitrate, that's for all the videos, not for anything like that, any other things. Bitrate, let's see, it shows it, where did it go? Oh, here it is. Alright, 1026, it's a pretty short video. 1000, oops, 026. Frame rate is not particularly important. Neither is that. Pretty much none of this is too important. Any other things, this is basically vitals, what you need. If you want to do the H.264 encoding, you cannot have a bit rate that exceeds 15,000 kbps, and so it says, oh wait, no, it says that right here. Alright, I didn't even have to explain that. But it says if you have a video that you're going to do the H.264, you can't have anything that exceeds that, or else it won't process that. You'll just have an error message that comes up, and it says down here as well, the frame rate can't be over 30 FPS. So if I typed in like 66, then it would be like, something really weird would come up, like an error message. It would not let me convert this video. So anyway, let's get started. What you'll do after all that's finished, basically you click start, and it does the audio first if you have the audio with the video. This video that I'm converting is not very long, so it shouldn't take too long to do this. So I'll be right back after it's finished loading the audio.